Scientists have proven that memory is not a gift but a skill that can be practiced. So, how do you train your memory? Watch this video to learn about the 7 most effective memory training methods. 1. Memorize. Memorization is an important, necessary skill and ability that we use throughout our lives. Memory plays the most essential role in the group of perceptual functions, in things like reading, reasoning, and computation. The secret to a good memory is the way of memorization, and turning the things that need to be remembered into something strange, funny, or closely related, and all the activities you do will help create new connections between different neurons in your brain and improve your memory. 2. Highly concentrate. Keeping your focus on one specific thing can help you maintain your attention even when your surroundings are very noisy and interrupted, which will help you train your memory well. You can train your focus by changing your daily routine, but don't try to do too much and focus on the information you want to remember. This will help you remember it later. It can help you remember specific things, and even if you don't remember them exactly, you're sure to find them familiar if you focus. 3. Visual perception. You can train your memory by visualizing information in your environment. For example, you walk into the bedroom, find 5 objects, and try to remember where they are. Then you go out of the room and try to recall the 5 selected objects' exact positions. Then increase the time. Do you miss them? Location. Your memory is improving. By using this visual perception, keep remembering all that you can see in front of you and on the sides that are within your field of vision. Always force yourself to recall and write it down again and again. This will help you use your memory and practice to focus on the things around you. 4. Association. Because it is often very easy for people to remember the known but very difficult to remember the unknown, association is a useful method for memory training. When you come across something to remember that you were not familiar with before, associate it with issues you already know well and relate to it. It will be easy to remember and remember for a long time. 5. Repeat. Repeating the same problem over and over is the best and easiest way for you to remember. A thing that is repeated many times and for a long time will help your brain remember it most accurately. But remember, repetition helps you understand what the content of the problem is. Don't just repeat. Repeat like a machine. Remember every sentence, every word, but don't understand what the problem is. Doing so only makes your brain lazy. 6. Mind maps. Mind maps are a tool to help organize thoughts. This is the best way to get information into your brain and then get it out. It is a creative and innovative note-taking medium in its own right, and organizing and your thoughts. Using mind maps not only helps you remember better but also helps you be more creative and have an overall view of a certain problem. So, learn how to train your memory with mind maps. You will learn a lot. 7. Learn new things. If you stop studying for a long time, your memory will gradually decrease. The previously accumulated knowledge also fades over time. So, cultivate new knowledge every day by reading books, learning foreign languages, or studying subjects that you love. These things will help stimulate the brain and train the brain to help you not forget your memory task. Benefits of memory training. 1. Good memorization. From phone numbers of relatives to home addresses to historical events or information related to data, These things can be memorized easily. It can help you remember up to 50 words per day and keep them in your memory for a long time without forgetting them when learning a foreign language. And if reviewed correctly with spaced memory, these words will be saved in your long-term memory. And to remember the names and faces of new and rarely seen people, as well as information about them, is very useful. 2. More confident. This is a psychological factor. When you are better at something than other people, you will feel more confident when dealing with people who are not capable of it. 3. Self-development. Thanks to the motivation from memory training, you will boldly participate in many positive activities. Your actions and changes begin to be grouped based on memory matches. 4. Mental health. Daily brain training is similar to bodybuilding. Because the brain is the most important organ of the human body, choose to participate in an intellectual sport to train your brain every day. 5. Creativity. When you train your memory, you have to associate and imagine images a lot. That's why your right brain will be extremely developed. The right brain is the place associated with creativity. When the right brain is more active, your creativity will increase very quickly. Memorization is not difficult if you know the method. When you practice mnemonic methods, you will increase your memory capacity many times over and reap countless benefits.